Now we're going to do the first fast pass for today, which is Splash Mountain. I feel like we could use this. It's a bit hot outside. And I mean, hopefully the one splashdown will, you know, help with the heat. Does it? Let's find out. Well. Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Wow. Apparently there's new drops on this ride now, ever since the last time I came to Splash Mountain. Oh, jeez.
I told you, there's a lot of water now on this ride.
So there's a lot, okay, there's a lot more water. There's a new drop.
Oh, I mean, maybe more than one.
And here's another bit of info I didn't know. Apparently, if you sit on the right side, you get more wet. Let's find out if that's true.
I love it.
Guess what? Guess what?
What?
Fair butt. Here's the one drop. Whoa! There's that one. So there's that drop. I already know about that one. Yeah. And I know about this next one right here. Oh gosh, it's so dark. Whoa! That one's that. Oh, I got drops on my face. And then after this, it's the big one. So I don't know. You might be wrong. Yeah, I don't know.
I didn't remember that last one though. The one before that one.
Yeah. It's a fruit. Oh no! It's the birds of death. You know what that means. Oh no! It's
about to die.
Oh no! With water.
Yeah.
I'm melting.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Oh gosh! Whoa! Oh gosh! My face! Oh my face! Oh my face! My face! My hair! Oh my gosh! My face! Oh my god! Shut up! At least that's all fine and over. Oh god! Oh ow! Oh ow!
Ow.
Well, at least that's all fine and over. I hate me.